Grade 3 Organizing Writing. Organizing writing is like putting together a puzzle. You arrange your ideas and thoughts in a clear and logical way so that your writing makes sense to others. This includes using paragraphs to group related information, organizing your ideas in a logical sequence, and using transition words to connect different parts of your writing smoothly. Organizing about sharks. Sharks can swim, bite, and hunt. Sharks likes fish, crab, and shrimp. And sharks have fins, gills, and sharp teeth. Question: arrange the sentences in the correct order from beginning to end by typing the number into the boxes. For the first box, he wrote his first children's book in 1937. For the second box, Dr. Seuss was a famous writer. And for the third box, he wrote his most famous book, The Cat in the Hat, 20 years later. The correct answer is 2, 1, and 3. Put the sentences in order from beginning to end. The words and phrases in bold can help you. Dr. Seuss was a famous writer. He wrote his first children's book in 1937. He wrote his most famous book, The Cat in the Hat, 20 years later. The sentence about Dr. Seuss being a famous writer goes first. It tells you what the rest of the passage is about. For our final answer, the correct answer is 2, 1, and 3.